Hey, this is Casey from Comfort Now Heating and Cooling. We're out here at Stone Harbor Bar and Grill, and I want you guys to check out a Carrier Ductless install that we did a couple years ago and talk to the owner, Brett. So come on and check it out with us. We are in Stone Harbor, New Jersey with Brett from Stone Harbor Bar and Grill. Brett, you know, you had some issues here and we came up with a solution.
No, we did. I had a 5-ton unit in my bar area and it wasn't keeping up in the summertime with my windows open. And Comfort Now, we added a Carrier split unit in here, another 3-ton, and it's been working great. Giving me that extra air, and as of right now, it's wintertime and I have the heat running on the unit now.
Great solution for pretty much anything, the Carrier Ductless. I know you've experienced, other brands in the past. What made you like Carrier Ductless the best?
I have different ones in my place. I have the Mitsubishi, I have other brands in here. I do like the Carrier. I think it's easier to work with. I notice my employees, the remote control's easier.
Yep.
And my big thing I like on it is the thermostat that's in the front of it. It's a digital display. So you don't have to look at the remote all the time and say, oh, what's the temperature in here? You just look at the unit, it's there. I also like on this unit, it has a boost feature that my other units doesn't have, that I can boost it in the summertime when it's really hot out, and it gives an extra push and it cools it off a little bit quicker.
There's a lot of humidity down here in Stone Harbor. There's a lot of people and bodies in and out of here. So this is a tricky project to keep enough air in here, especially when windows and doors are open all day long. But the Carrier Ductless seems to be the trick for us, and it can fit in any and all applications. We're about to do a big renovation here to add to this project, and looking back at the kitchen for some of his employees to add Carrier Ductless.
Adding those ductless in the kitchen, my guys in the kitchen are very happy every day, especially when it's 100 degrees outside.
Yeah. So basically when we first came down here to Stone Harbor, New Jersey, to the Stone Harbor Bar and Grill, Brett was having humidity issues, cooling issues in here. There was a 5-ton ducted system in here, but there's a huge load in this building. So an easy and simple solution for us was to put a Carrier Ductless, which you see behind me, in here. And this is just 3 extra tons of air. And it has changed the game and the whole environment on this first floor. Efficiency levels on these units is insane compared to a traditional system because there is no air loss, and they can modulate up and down, so they'll ramp up and down each and every day. They have a nice coastal coating too down here in Stone Harbor, so there's a lot of salt air which corrodes the coils a lot faster. So Carrier comes with the blue coat and the gold coat, and that has been great for durability purposes.
Stone Harbor, we're blocked from the beach, so if you don't get that right, the maintenance on those coils on the roof, they're going to disintegrate, and that's what happens with a lot of units up here. They just, in 5 years, they just start falling apart.
Yep, get the premium unit, and Carrier Ductless has been the premium unit for us for a while now, and we appreciate the support we have from the factory and the suppliers. I mean, it's just nothing but aces, and they have a nice warranty on them. So yeah, Carrier Ductless has been the solution for us. So Brett, now that this has been installed for a while, do you recommend this to any other businesses or homeowners that could benefit from this particular solution? I see it work for me all the time, but anybody for you?
I do it all the time. People say to me, hey, I got to add a unit in my house. A buddy of mine needs to add something in his house. His back room is too hot in the summertime and he has a 3-ton unit. I'm like, just add the ductless unit in. Just get a Carrier, put it back there, and all your problems will go away. So I say it all the time to people. I do.
Yep. Yeah, the set it and forget it feature.
Yeah.
And that's what's great about these. Turn them on and walk away. Let it do its thing, because it's not going to run full capacity all the time like those traditional units do.
And maintenance too. The maintenance on these units are very low.
And they're making new features now where they're even friendlier to maintain, where everything just rolls out.
Yeah,
so even down the road, it'll become more of a quicker process, less intrusive to your work environment, because that is hard getting in and out of here when it's not packed.
Yeah. All right.
Thanks. Hey, thanks for coming out. Thanks for having me here today, and thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. And if you think a Carrier Ductless would be a good fit for your home or your business, give us a call or check us out online.